Hi students, last class we saw two cases of particular integral, and this video will see the third case of particular integral where the right hand side of the function of d of y will be in the form of x. If it is in the form of x, what we have to do? How to find the particular integral? Just listen. We have to write as usual y is equal to some function of x by function of d, and then we have to use these two formulae. Okay, 1 plus x whole inverse is 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cube. If it is plus and minus here, everything will be alternative, minus plus. If both minus means everything will be plus. Okay, this is the procedure. Now we will see a problem. Function of d of y is equal to x square. You know how to find complementary function. Previous videos you can see. For lack of time, I am not saying all this, telling all this. Particular integral, how to find. This is what the main thing about this video. Y is equal to x square by the function of d. As I told you, we have to use this formula. So 1 plus d square minus 2d by 3. 1 by 3 you have to take it outside, the small function of d, right? The power of d. Here the 3 power 0, no, whichever small power of d, that you have to take outside, like 1 by d. 1 by that value. So this is 1 by 3 into 1 plus d square minus 2d by 3 whole inverse this x square as it is. This is the main part. Understood? Now, then after that expand it. 1 minus x plus x squared plus so on, and then this is x square. Then here I have to write the function only with d and d square. Omit other terms. Highest function of d square, no? Because of that, you have to write d and d square till d square. So this will be minus of minus plus 2d by 3 minus d square by 3 d square. Now what will be after expanding this? Just take only the d square term, a square minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this only will have 2d square, right? 2d the whole square is what? 4d square by 9. Omit other terms. Into x squared. Then simplify this and write here into x square. Then bring x square inside. D is what? Differentiation. You know differentiation of x square is 2x. 2x into 2, 4x by 3. Differentiate twice you have to differentiate because of d square. 2 by 9. You know the differentiation. And then y is equal to cf plus pi. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Now we will proceed to the second problem. The next problem is function of d power y is equal to e power minus x plus cos x plus x square. Already we have seen the procedure for e power x cos x. The new thing is x square. As usual, find the complementary function by writing the auxiliary equation, finding the roots, and accordingly write the complementary function. Particular integral we are concerned about. We have three terms in the right hand side. We will deal one by one. This is the first one, the second one, the third one. E power minus x by the function of d right here. Second one is cos x by the function of d. Third one is x square. We will deal this separately. Now come here. First one is x e power minus x by this function, right? What we do, I told you the previous classes, the coefficient of x substitute in d. Coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. So this will be minus 1 the whole cube, which is minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 1. What will be answer is? Minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 1. It will be 0. So if it's 0, what I have to do? Multiply this by x. That's step and all I didn't write. Okay. Multiply this by x, and then we have to take the differentiation. Again I am telling, previous videos you can tap my photo and get the previous videos. Then you know the procedure. So this is differentiate 3d square plus 4d plus 1. Now substitute d is equal to minus 1 as usual. When substitute d is equal to minus 1, again this will be 0. So what you have to do? You have to put x square and e power minus x, and again differentiate this. 2 into 3, 6d plus 4. Differential constant is 0. Now substitute d is equal to minus 1. So minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2. So this is the particular integral for the first term. Second term cos x. Cos x, what did you do? Procedure, since this is the original function is d cube, no? For cos, what did you do? Write this d cube as d square into d, because we have to substitute d square is equal to minus a squared. So write that function like this and substitute d square is equal to minus a square, which is the coefficient of cos. It is 1. So d square will be minus 1. Substitute and get this. Okay. Now when you simplify this, you will get answer as 2. This is the particular integral for the second term. Now we will see for the third term. We are concerned mainly about the third term because it contains x. So what is the third term? It is x squared. As I said, the small power of d is here is d power 1. Then you take it out 1 by d. Rest you write it as it is 1 plus d square plus 2d, okay, divided by 1, because the constant when taken out it is 1. So this power minus 1 x square, 1 minus x plus x square, and so on. Outside multiply by x square and right here. Don't forget to write here x squared. Okay, doesn't matter right now. X squared. Now as usual, simplify this. Take only the d and d square terms, multiply by x square. Simplify this and get this. Take x square inside and differentiate this once, differentiate this twice, and get the value. Outside is what? 1 by d is here. If it is d means you have to do differentiate. 1 by d means what? Integration. Integration of this. What is integration of x square? X cube by 3. Integration of x, x square by 2. 4 by 2 it will be 2. Integration of constant is x, 6x. This is the particular integral for the third term. Right? So now the whole answer is whole solution, complementary function plus particular integral. Particular integral we have 3 terms. Equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Do this sum once again. Okay? There ends the problem. We will go to the next case of particular integral. What is the next case of particular integral? Right side is e power minus ax into v of x. X into. How to do that? We have seen separately e power and x separately. Now it is multiplied. So if it is this case, how to proceed with the problem? As usual, y is equal to e power v of x by f of d. E power ax, take it out and write instead of d, and write d plus x. That is the idea here. Write function of d as, whenever you find d, write d plus x. When you see the problem, you will understand. The problem is d square plus 7d plus 12 of y is equal to e power 2x sin 3x. Find the complementary function. Then how to find the particular integral? Y is equal to e power 2x sin 3x by d square plus 7d plus 12. As I said, e power 2x, take it outside. Sin 3x by d square, instead of d square you have to put minus a square. A is here is 3. So it will be minus 9. Rest write as it is 12 minus 9 plus 12 minus 9 is 3. So denominator will have 7d minus 3. Denominator will have 7d plus 3. 7d plus 3. Small mistake here. Denominator will have 7d plus 3. So in the denominator, when you have like this type, what I said before in the previous videos, you have to write 7d minus 3 multiplied by numerator and denominator. Clear? A plus b into a minus b is a squared minus b squared. We will get 4d squared minus 9. Again d square substitute minus 9. Certain simplification steps is missing. Do it slowly. You will understand. Okay? Any doubts you can write in the comment box or WhatsApp my number. Okay? Or call me. Definitely I will try to help you maximum. Okay? 40. This will be 4d squared minus 9. D square is minus a square is minus 9. Again minus 9. So 49 into minus 9 minus 9. It will be minus 450. Numerator 7d 3x. That means differentiation of 3 sin 3x is what? 3 cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x. This is the particular integral for the above problem. Okay, if there is dots means there are some steps are there, carefully follow it. After all, simplification steps. Okay, the first step is the main thing for every problem. The first step is the main thing for every problem. How to write particular integral, which should be taken out, that is the main thing. Simplification steps are very easy, slowly you can do it. Okay, now we'll proceed for the next problem. Next problem, d square plus 1 of y is equal to x into e power 2x. Find the complementary function by writing auxiliary equation, finding the roots accordingly. Right here the roots are real and imaginary, so it will be e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Next, the particular integral, the first step, x into e power 2x on the right side by the function of t. So here, as I said, what you have to do, you have to put d plus x. I told you d plus x. So here d plus x here is what? D plus the coefficient of x here is 2. So d plus 2 the whole square plus 1 e power 2x into x. So d plus 2 the whole square means what? A plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So d square plus 4d plus 1 plus 4 is there. It will be 1 plus 4 is 5. Here x term what do you have to do? 1 plus that expression. Okay, the small power of d is d power 0. Let's take it outside. So here it is 5 means take 1 by 5 outside. 1 plus x whole inverse into this x. Okay, so every problem is updation of previous problem. If you don't understand, see the previous problem, you will understand. So e power 2x by 5, expansion will be 1 minus, not plus, 1 minus x plus x square plus outside is x. Have only the terms with d square and b. When you simplify, you will get the answer as e power 2x by 5 into 1 minus 4d by 5 into x. Take the x inside. X minus 4d of x. Differentiation of x is what? 1. So 4 by 5. This is equation 2. The final answer is complementary function plus particular integral, equation 1 plus equation 2. Now the other case. In the fifth case of particular integral, x into sin x. Okay, previously we saw x into e power, now it's x into sin x. What you have to do? As usual, y is equal to x into sin x by f of d. Here in this case, how to proceed with the problem? This is the method. See carefully. X minus f dash of d, that means what? Function of d you have to differentiate once. Here write the function of d as it is into sin x by function of d. You have to remember this to do the problems. Now we'll go with the problem. So the problem is d square minus 2d plus 1 of y is equal to, it's not into, of y is equal to x sin x. Auxiliary equation, complementary function. It will be of this type because the roots are equal. How to find the particular integral? As we saw in the method, x minus f dash of d. What is f dash of d? 2d minus 2 by f of d as it is into sin, or it will sin x. Okay, small mistakes, but be careful, doesn't matter. Sin x by again f of d, d square minus 2d plus 1. Okay, now how to do? Sin 2x by this also x. Okay, what do you do? Instead of d square put minus a square. A square is what? Minus 1. So d square will be equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 2d. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 2d. Minus 1 plus 1 0. So sin x by 2d. d minus 1. This will get cancelled. You have 2 by d minus 1. Again, what is 1 by d? Integration. So integration of sin x is minus cos x by 2. This will be minus 1 by 2. Take it outside. take this cos x inside. X cos x minus 2. Since it is d minus 1, whenever you have d plus 1 or d minus 1, something like that in the denominator, multiply numerator denominator by the opposite sign. D plus 1 by d plus 1 multiply. Clear? Take the cos x inside. What is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square? Separate this. D cos x plus cos x. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So this will be 2 will get cancelled. Minus differential cos minus sin x plus cos x. This will be plus and this will be minus. Differential of cos x is minus sin x. Understood? So final answer is complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, equation 1 plus equation 2. The last problem, the 10th one, d square minus 4d plus 4 of y is equal to 8x squared into e power 2x into sin 2x. We have 3 different terms. How to do it? Listen carefully. Find the complementary function m square minus 4d plus 4 is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So it will be m minus 2 the whole square. So m will be equal to 2 comma 2, roots are equal. Write the complementary function. Particular integral, whenever you see e power, take it outside. Write the rest inside and write the function of d. This is what? D minus 2 the whole square. We can write like this. As I said, what I have to do, if the problem is of this type, x in 2 means what I have to do? Denominator, we should write d plus a. A is what here? 2. So it will be d plus 2 minus 2 the whole squared. Again, plus 2 minus 2, 0. This will be d square. Okay. So if it is x square into sine means with e power, how to proceed? You have to use this formula. You know this e power iax is cos ax plus I sin ax. Cos ax is what? Real part of e power. Sin is imaginary part of e power. So how to find the particular integral? A new method, a new type here. Sin 2x, right? Sin 2x is what? Imaginary part. So imaginary part of 8 e power 2x into imaginary part of sin 2x is imaginary part of e power I 2x. Rest write as it is. E power I 2x, take it outside. Again this d, write it as, what is here? I2. So d plus a, d plus 2y the whole squared. X squared plus a plus b the whole square is a squared plus b squared plus 4i squared is minus 4 plus 2ab. So you have x. X means what you do? 1 minus, then again the same formula. X the whole power minus x, and this is x squared. How to expand this? This is minus, this is minus. Minus minus, what will get? Everything will be plus, because we have minus 4 there constant. Take minus outside and write it as 1 minus x whole power minus inverse. Okay, 1 plus x squared. Outside term x squared. Take only the d and d squared terms of this. Do it carefully. This I am not writing here. Imaginary part of minus 2 e power 2x e power I 2x will come here. Again, when you simplify this, what you will get? Imaginary part of. Okay. So this will be imaginary part of minus 2 e power 2x. What is e power I 2x? Cos 2x plus I sin 2x. Clear? Cos 2x plus I sin 2x. Bring the x square inside. 4 will get cancelled. So differentiation of x square will be what? 2x. Here we'll have I only. So 2yx. And again bring the x square inside. Small simplification. 1 by 4 minus 1 is what? Minus 1 by 4. This 1 is here. This 1 and this is different. D square is different. 1 by 4 minus 1 is what? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. And then differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Again differential will get 2. So 3 by 4 into 2 will be 2 and 4 will get cancelled, will get 3 by 2. Okay, simplification, be careful. So now the answer will be imaginary part of this answer. Imaginary part means what? A term which has only I. So take that only. So this into this, multiply the terms and consider the terms only which has imaginary terms. Real parts omit. So this into this will get imaginary term. Take only the part, leave the I. So 2x cos 2x. Again here x square into sin 2x. This will be minus 3 by 2 into sin 2x. Since we have sin 2x in two terms, combine and write like this. So this is complementary function equation 1 plus particular integral, the final answer. You have to write and see. Then you will get. It's not so easy. Suppose the same problem we have, instead of sine, if we have cos. Instead of sine, if we have cos, how to proceed? Complementary function, no problem. Because complementary function, for every problem, you have to take it as 0 and then find the roots and write. So instead of sine, if we have cos, means cos is what? Real part. Cos is what? Real part of e power ix. So wherever you have imaginary part, you will get real part of. So answer, final answer, we have to consider only the real part answer. So this is the real part particular integral for the same problem. If it is cos 2x, this will be the particular integral for cos 2x. 8x squared e power 2x cos 2x means this will be the answer. Complementary function is the same. Okay, a slight modification. Okay, take care. All the best. Write and see, do similar and same problems. Because some are telling please upload in English also. Right, I have done this. Next video we will see in Tamil. Thank you.